Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Google Pay on TaskRabbit. So once you are in your TaskRabbit account, click account on the upper right hand side, then click on billing info. Then on the section here where you have card and Google Pay, click on the Google Pay section. If you have your card set up on your Google account or on your browser, you will see that it gives you the option to select a card. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose what I have, then click and continue. And here you will be able to see, like, for example, it's going to say pay now or something like that. You go ahead and choose that. Then you will see that it is says set up successfully. So all you have to do is just simply click and save right here, and you have that on your account. So anytime you're going to make a payment, you will now have the option to use Google Pay. So if I go to billing once more, you see that the Google Pay is now set as my billing info. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.